Hey guys, this is Jackson here. Hope you can hear me good. Also, I'm taking this apart, like taking everything out and just, yeah. And, yeah, because last video, I took apart and put it back together. Now I'm just going to take it apart. Oh yeah, I didn't show me taking it apart on video. I just took apart off video, then put it back together on video. So yeah, let's do that. These are tools I'm using. It's a tool set. And first step is I need to take this thing off. And I'm pretty sure I will need for this one this Phillips big one here. Put this in. And I hope I got it right because these are hard to get out. Or get off. You have to yank it off. Okay. No. Okay, I'm gonna cut and all this will be taken off and it will be right here. So yeah, I took it off. This is what it looks like. I remember from last video is the speakers. Yeah, I didn't plug them in. So there's on some other devices, there's a thing where if everything isn't plugged in the right spot, it will not even kind of turn on. So yeah. So that's probably why. I don't know. I probably actually broke it. Got this. One speaker. Two speaker. And this would be the only part I'm going to keep. Satisfying, bro. I'm taking that out actually right now. I did plug in some things. Yeah. Get this. And I'm gonna, because I remember, unplug this, because this is something to unplug. Put that off this side. And got this screw that will go in this place. And I'll cut, and this will be out. And I'm pretty sure I might do this, but yeah. Okay, I got this part out from there. Wait, did I even show the camera? I'm stupid. It's fine, it's fine. How it looks now? I can't get that out because I stripped one of the screws on it last time. I can get this out. And then that's it. Actually.
Justin, do you know what this is for?
Okay, that's good. I'm gonna cut, and this will be out, and everything will actually be taken apart. This is a 3-minute video. It's going to be a 3-minute video. That's how short I made it. Way too short. That's why I'm doing. It's way too short.
That's all you can do. You can't do any other tricks anymore. Can't do all the way.
Yeah, I'm cutting all these will be out and be done. Okay, I got everything out and now got everything out and then yeah. So this thing I can't get out, but yeah. So the video's done.
All our votes for my birthday.
Yeah, this video didn't take long to make. No, 4 minutes now. This video didn't take long to make. At all. just at all. Haven't already, like and subscribe. Please hit the bell. Look at my recentest videos. I'm gonna go in the room, watch freaking videos. And boom.